quick and easy scanning method. First of all, you need to go to the App Store. You need to go to the App Store. Type search, type Microsoft, then go down, make sure Microsoft Office. Now since I have already installed, that's what I can see open. Otherwise you need to download that one. Once you have download and sign in, after that you will get an icon like that. Once you get that icon, just click here, then remember, very careful, okay, press this plus icon. Once this plus icon is there, then click Lens. You have three options: Notes, Lens, Word, Excel, PowerPoints. So you have to go in between one, middle one called Lens. Click there. Once it is there, you can put it down. Now suppose I want to scan this one, so hold it like this. This you see, this is a red line there, so just try to figure it out, the boundary. Now click here. Now once it is done, you can resize it or do whatever you wish. Once you are done, the cropping is done, then select done. Once you are happy with that, then you can choose file size here. Look, the file size type is Word document is written there, image file, PDF file. So I want PDF file. So once it is done, you are done. You have scanned it very nicely without any scanning machine. After that, you can share, send a copy, choose WhatsApp, message or email. For example, I want to send email. Just type here email, add a text of the subject line, test, and you can add some text if you wish, then press send. The same thing you can do, send a copy to WhatsApp. For example, I want to go send to me, send, and once you are going this one, it may ask for save. So now I can save it to my mobile, save it, replace. So you can see this thing is also there. Later on you can access it. Hope this will help you to scan any document. And remember that scan copy is very easy to do this one, and once you will be editing or grabbing some information, you can copy paste things from the PDF file. Hope this will help you. Thank you very much.